Join me as I put my knowledge to the test and see if I can stay calm and react properly in a simulated chemical spill emergency. Chemical spill emergencies can be incredibly dangerous, and it's crucial that we know how to react effectively to minimize the risks and protect ourselves, others, and the environment. Chemical spills pose a significant threat to human health, and exposure to hazardous substances can cause serious injuries, respiratory problems, and even long-term health effects like cancer. The risks are even higher for people who work with chemicals on a daily basis, such as laboratory workers, construction workers, and factory workers. But it's not just human health that's at risk. Chemical spills can also have devastating environmental impacts, contaminating soil, air, and water, and causing long-term ecological damage. In fact, chemical spills are one of the leading causes of environmental pollution, and their effects can be felt for years to come. The challenges posed by chemical spills are further complicated by the fact that they can happen anywhere, at any time. Whether it's a tanker accident on the highway, a factory mishap, or a laboratory leak, the potential for disaster is always present. When a chemical spill occurs, it's essential to take immediate action to protect yourself and others. The first step is to evacuate the area immediately, getting as far away from the spill as possible. Don't try to approach the spill or touch anything that may have come into contact with the chemical. Next, notify the authorities and emergency services, such as the fire department or hazardous materials team. They'll have the necessary equipment and expertise to contain the spill and prevent further damage. If you're in a workplace or laboratory, follow your employer's emergency procedures and protocols. It's also crucial to wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, to prevent exposure to the chemical. This may include gloves, goggles, masks, and suits, depending on the type of chemical and the level of risk. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to chemical spills. Let's take a look at a real-life example of a chemical spill response. In this dramatic reenactment, we'll see how a group of workers respond to a laboratory spill and what they do to contain the damage and prevent further harm. As you can see, the workers quickly evacuated the area, notified the authorities, and put on their PPE. They then worked together to contain the spill, using specialized equipment to prevent the chemical from spreading. Despite the challenges, the workers remained calm and followed their emergency protocols, which helped to minimize the risks and prevent a potentially disastrous situation from getting out of control. Chemical spill emergencies can be incredibly dangerous, but by knowing the right steps to take, we can reduce the risks and protect ourselves, others, and the environment. Remember to always be prepared, stay calm, and follow the proper procedures. So, have you ever had to deal with a chemical spill emergency, or know someone who has? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other safety-related videos for more tips and advice on staying safe in emergency situations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If there is any topic you would like, please ask in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.